we are asked to calculate, find what? There is no instruction here. There is no instruction here, but from the drawing that we can see on the board, unlike question number 1, which has the instruction, question number 2 has no instruction. We are just given that we should calculate the missing side, find the missing length, calculate the missing length. Do you understand? So from the indication here, we are not told maybe we are going to look for the hypotenuse, we are going to look for the opposite, we are going to look for the adjacent. But from what we can see on the board there, we know that the hypotenuse has been given. Okay, our solution. The hypotenuse has been given. Our hypotenuse is 5 centimeters. Remember the longest side. Now, it is left for you to either say this place is your opposite and this will be your adjacent, or this place is your adjacent and this is your opposite. Whichever way, you are going to get the same answer. So from here, I can say this is my opposite. Opposite equal to 3 centimeters. Now, the adjacent is unknown. Which is. So from the formula to calculate the adjacent, we are looking for the adjacent now. So the formula stated that adjacent square is equal to your hypotenuse square minus your opposite square. So from here, your adjacent is what? Your adjacent is unknown. So still remain adjacent square. Your hypotenuse is what? 5 square centimeter. Hypotenuse square, 5 square. Then minus your opposite. Opposite is what? 3 square centimeter. Your adjacent will now be square root of 5 square minus 3 square. Your adjacent will be 5 square is 25. 5 square is 5 times 5, which is 25. Minus 3 square. 3 square is what? 3 times 3, which is 9. So your adjacent will now be 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9, which is 16. So the square root of 16 will now be what? 4. So your adjacent is 4 centimeters. Okay, so the unknown side there is 4 centimeters. Alternatively, assuming that you say this is your opposite. Assumption that you are saying from here I say this is adjacent. Let us assume that you are naming this side opposite. Assumption. If you are naming this side as opposite, okay, mean that your hypotenuse is 5 centimeters. If this side is your opposite, assuming that you are saying this side is your opposite, and you want to take this side to be adjacent, so your opposite is unknown. Your adjacent is 3 centimeters. So I put your opposite. To look for opposite square is equal to hypotenuse square minus adjacent square. So your opposite square is unknown. Hypotenuse square, which is 5 square centimeters. Adjacent square minus 3 square centimeters. Okay? So your opposite will now be square root of 5 square minus 3 square. So your opposite will now be 5 square is 25. 3 square is what? 9. Your opposite will now be 25 minus 9, 16. The square root of 16 will now be what? 4. So you are having 4 centimeters. You can compare the two together. Compare the two together now. You can see. That is why I said from the beginning that whenever the angle is not given, you are at liberty to pick any side as your opposite or your adjacent. However, if an angle is given, if an angle is indicated, then the side that is supposed to face angle will remain the opposite. But here, there is no angle indicated, so you are free to say this is all. You are free to choose any of this side to be your opposite or your adjacent. However, the hypotenuse remain the same, is the longest side.
Your classwork. This is your classwork. Find the missing sides in each of these right angle triangles. Find the missing side in each of these right angle triangles. You are going to answer question 1 to 3. Question 1 to 3 as your classwork. Question 1 to 3. Question 1 to 3. Find the missing side of these right angle triangles. Question 1. You find the missing side of this right angle triangle. This is your question 1. Question number 2. You find the missing side of this right angle triangle. Question number 3. You find the missing side of this right angle triangle. Don't forget, the longest side is the hypotenuse. The other two sides, if no angle is indicated, you are free to name whichever among the two angles as your opposite or your adjacent. Thank you very much.